This one gets interesting. Over the past few weeks, we've been asking people to participate in a poll asking one question. As a retail customer, on average, how often are you acknowledged within 60 seconds? We started this poll because we wanted to get an understanding of people's perception when it comes to being acknowledged in a retail setting. And then we wanted to compare this with the data from our 50 retail mystery shops that we did recently. And here is where it gets interesting. Our poll showed that perception is actually worse than reality, or potentially its reality is worse than what we think. 66% of our poll respondents told us that they are acknowledged within 60 seconds only 40% of the time. When we mystery shopped 50 retail stores, we found that we were acknowledged within 60 seconds 64% of the time. And that's a big gap. 2/3 of the poll respondents says it only happens 40%, when our experience was it happens over 60% of the time. So either one of two things could be happening here. Either the reality is acknowledging customers in a retail setting is worse than what we tested, or perception is so poor around acknowledgement, it takes really exceptional service. You need to be very good at it for a customer to even notice that you are acknowledging them. Of course, both things could be true at the same time. And you know what? This rings true to me. When I took a deeper dive on the data from our 50 mystery shops, what I found was only 52% of retailers acknowledged me within 30 seconds. A further 20% acknowledged me in that 30 to 60 second window. And perhaps it's that 20% when acknowledgement happens between 30 seconds and 60 seconds that customers aren't noticing. And here's the key takeaway. If customer acknowledgement isn't happening in the first 30 seconds, first of all, it's less likely to happen at all. And secondly, and more importantly, your customers aren't registering that it's happening. Whatever way you look at it, the conclusion is the same. There is a real opportunity for face-to-face businesses here to focus on customer engagement and acknowledging your customers within 30 seconds. We've already shared 13 training videos all about customer acknowledgement here on Intentional Service. So if you're not already following us, make sure you do and check out our other videos. So if you're a leader in business and you're looking for ways to improve business performance, start with some low-hanging fruit. Ensure that your team are consistently acknowledging your customers within 30 seconds with a warm, simple greeting. Our data tells us if your team can do that consistently, you've got a real point of difference.